Alright guys, my plan was to run this with Center-X CZ457. Well, I shot groups with the Center-X. Well, it sucked. So, I shot groups with $3 a box Tac22, and it was putting them in the same hole pretty decently. I'll show you a picture, I'll put it up. But yeah, this Tac22 completely outshot Center-X. I don't get it. $20 plus Center-X, $3 a box Tac22. Tac22 outdoes it. So I'm gonna run day at the range with the Tac22. Let's see, I need a couple more shots. That Center-X I got sold, it really must just suck, or this gun don't like it. Something. But let's see what she'll do. I tried running the Tac22 doing groups with the Savage, and that scope just really sucks. But it did alright out of it. So I'll give her a try. See how I'm sitting here. Alright, so here's my score with the Tac22 in the wind. You can see it's got pretty good potential with the 5s. I wish I could call that a 5, that a 5, but can't really do that. Man, if I'd have kept some of them flyers out of there. That Tac22, $3 a box. I mean, this stuff is really freaking good. Oh, and then I've got this Center-X. This stuff shoots like crap. Here's the lot number. I don't know if I'd be buying any of that. But can't really complain about the gun liking cheap ammo. I mean, hell, that's great. Maybe the Tac22 just cuts through the wind better. But 78 with $3 box ammo in the wind? Heck yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Alright, shooting groups with this CZ457. SK rifle match groups. Ely 10X groups, Center-X groups, Tac22 groups. Way better than everything else. What the hell? Don't get it. Hey, that's great if it's gonna shoot cheap ammo good. Huh. Alright, so I'm shooting Fowlers and everything. Norma match. SK rifle match. Ely 10X. Center-X. I gave it a real good try. Norma, Tac22, $3 a box. Wow. Not the results I'd expect. But if it's going to shoot the cheap stuff, even better. Yeah, I got a 76 that time. I'll have to figure something out with the old CZ. Maybe getting a new barrel. Do some more chassis torque. I don't know. I'll keep giving her a try. Keep you guys informed. Thanks.